Hi guys, it's your boy Gadget Man 404 here, and this is the maiden flight with the Eachine LaL 5 Freestyle. This is an absolutely insane drone. It's a 3 to 6S drone. Flying with a 4S just to sort of get the feel for the speed, because I come from GPS drones which you let go of the sticks, it just hovers there and they don't go fast. This one is insane. I'd like to thank Alan Parkin from Scotland for sending this down to me. Absolutely insane, mate. All the accessories, I've got an ND filter, I've got hundreds of standoffs, I've got tools, stickers, you name it, I've got it, and it's as if this has not been flown. So when we did the deal and I paid for it the other day, he sent me a message and said could he see it flying. So I've got my GoPro style head cam going. I can't get too close to me, I'm afraid, Alan, because this power is absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. But I just want to thank you, mate, for selling me this drone, because it's an absolute beast. Absolute beast. I think the motors are dead gold and blingy. I think they're 2507s because you need the power for the 6S, and it's quite a heavy frame. 5S 5-inch blades, and I've changed them for 2 blue, 2 red, sort of jazz it up a little bit. It comes with like clear plastic, like clear see-through jobs, and they're fine, don't get me wrong, but I just wanted something to stand out a little bit. So I'm trying to get close to me. A bit later on I do hover a bit closer, so as you wanted to see a video, obviously this is for you, mate. Alan Parkin, and as I said to you, we've got the same name. Before I got married, my surname was Parkin. I changed my surname when I got married. So we could be related in some way. I don't know, but possibly, because my first and second name, Craig Stewart, they're very Scottish names. I don't know if you're born in Scotland or you just live there, but yeah, Craig Stewart, they are Scottish names for sure. And yeah, I mean, this drone is just absolutely insane. This is on 4S pack, 1500 milliamp hours, and it is blasting around here. I'm not even trying to go fast, it just doesn't want to go slow. This is stock tune. I haven't done anything other than bind, set up through SpeedyB. I've got SpeedyB app on my phone, and I've set up the receiver, the modes, the switches, without having the hassle of using a laptop, so that's really cool. It's got the Tarsia V2, which is a 4K onboard camera as well as a FPV camera, so there's 2 separate cameras. One does the FPV, one does the 4K footage. You've got SD card slot on the back of the stack, and you have to go through some modes, like the green, I believe, is video, and then there's other modes, like there's a red colour, and there's like an opaque, and then like an orange. You can even set up the phone through Wi-Fi, so you turn on the hotspot on the actual camera, and then you find it through your phone, and then you can change settings through that way. Then I think you could leave it like a live feed, and then you could do FPV through your phone, but I don't know, there'll be a delay, and obviously you won't be able to go that far. I'm using an FR Sky receiver. I've only got the one antenna, I think the other one's snapped off, so I didn't go too far, but it's absolutely insane. This drone is awesome. So thank you, Alan Parkin, for selling me this beast. It looks like you haven't even took it out of the box. It was everything straws, with the caps for the straws, tools, standoffs, stickers, you name it. I had 3 batteries, one 1000 milliamp hour 6S 120C rating, and then two 1300 6S batteries 120C rating. So got an absolute bargain, mate, absolute bargain. You can pay 20 to 25, 30 pounds per battery. So even if they were 20 quid batteries, they're 60 pound, and I didn't pay much more than that for the whole lot. So absolutely amazing. Battery was running out there, so landed in my hand. I've been Gadget Man 404. You guys have been awesome. See you in the next one. Stay safe, fly safe, keep each other safe. Hi, this is Gadget Man 404 here. I'm Gadget Man 404, and you are going to go on a ride of your life.